So now let's talk about multiplying and dividing radical expression. Radical expression: any expression that contains the square root of a number. An expression containing a radical called a radical expression. Multiplying radicals. Multiplying radicals is very simple if the index and all the radicals match. The product rule of radical can be generalized as follows. So this is the product rule of radicals, where a and the square root of b times c and the square root of d equals ac times ac and the square root of b and d. Another way of stating this rule is we are allowed to multiply the factors outside the radical, and we are allowed to multiply the factors inside the radical as long as the index match. So example, negative 5 the square root of 14 times 4 and the square root of 6. So multiply outside and inside the radical. So negative 5 times 4 is equals to negative 20. And then the square root of 14 times the square root of 6 is 84. So simplify the radical divisible by 4. So negative 20 and the square factor of 84 is 4 times 21. Next is take the square root where possible. So negative 20 times 2 on the square root of 21. So next is multiply coefficient. So 20 times 2, negative 20 times 2 is equals to negative 40 and the square root of 21. So our final answer is negative 40 and the square root of 21. So let's try this one. 2 and the cube root of 18 times 6 and the cube root of 15. So multiply outside and inside the radical. So 2 times 6 is equals to 12. Square root of 18 times square root of 15 is equals to 270, and then copy the cube. Simplify the radical divisible by 27. So 12 cube root of 27 times 10. So take cube root where possible. 12 times 3, the cube root of 10, and then multiply coefficient. So 12 times 3 is equals to 36, and then copy the cube root of 10. So our final answer is this one. When multiplying radicals with the same index, multiply under the radical and then multiply in front of the radical. Any values multiplied times the radical. So example, square root of 4 and then the square root of 25. So square root of 4 times square root of 25 is equals to square root of 100. So the square root of 100 is 10. So the final answer is 10. Dividing radicals. When dividing radicals with the same index, divide under the radical and then divide in front of the radical. Divide any values multiplied times the radical. Division with radicals is very similar to multiplication. If we think about division as reducing factors, we can reduce the coefficient outside the radical and reduce the values inside the radicals to get our final solution. So this is the quotient rule of radicals. A, the square root of b over c and the square root of d is equals to a over c and the square root of b over d. Example, 15 the cube root of 108 over 20 and the cube root of 2. So reduce 15 over 20 and cube root of 108 over 2 by dividing 5 and 2 respectively. So the answer is 3 the cube root of 54 over 4. So then simplify radical. 54 is divisible by 27. So 3 and the cube root of 27 times 2 over 4. And then take the cube root of 27. So 3 times 3 and the cube root of 2 over 4. So the next step is to multiply coefficient. So the answer is 9 and then the cube root of 2 over 4. So this is our final answer. And that's it.